G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. We're sitting in a 2014 Mazda Axela, obviously an import from Japan, and it had a little Japanese radio that was really no good to anybody in speaking our language. So we've replaced it with our new series, our X series of new Android-based devices. Really cool. It's a nice big screen, has all the modern features. We've fitted a reverse camera to it. The camera works within a second or two, using our new wide angle camera, so it's a lovely image. Part of the reason for we've updated these to a new Android 10 system with a deep sleep function, part of the advantage of this device is that when you turn it off, it turns off. Obviously when you get back in the car, hit the button marked go, the whole device will boot up again in just a matter of seconds. As it has there, it's connecting via Bluetooth. We don't need to get into there. We're back to the main screen. So it's connected to the Bluetooth. You can see the track that's playing. Radio there has radio data service. It'll identify the station identifier. It's a very, very good radio tuner installed in these. We've tested them out of town. It's quite remarkable the distance of range this will pick up. Back to the main screen. I've just got to get the noise down. They have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see the two icons there. All you simply do is plug your phone in with your data cable that is capable of conducting data and charge, not just your mobile one. And you can see here you can load straight into Apple CarPlay. It's got CarPlay, all the normal functions, touch screen. Look at, for example, play something on Spotify. You can look at the Economist Morning Briefing if you're that way employed. All your favourite playlists are all available there. You can play music, everything works fine. Steering wheel controls work. Just for copyright, obviously. I get those nasty letters from YouTube. We've paused it, so everything works beautifully. Function. It'll also work with the factory controller down the centre there, if your car's equipped with it. And the Bluetooth call quality of them is really, really cool. So in this case, we will go back to show you a phone call. We're back there. We'll go into a phone. Just because I've unplugged CarPlay, it's got to go back into Bluetooth.
Hello, Owen. What are you speaking with him?
G'day, Paul here. How are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
Good. How's the Bluetooth sound?
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you. I'm just doing a check. See ya.
Okay.
Bye. There you go. You've got good quality Bluetooth. The car engine's running at the moment. If you're just on Bluetooth, you can press it and it'll play your music. You can skip tracks, play the next song. All those sort of things work. Sound on them's, like we said, is really good. Through the device again, sorry, just for copyright, we have the phone music turned down, otherwise it gets a little bit aggressive. So yeah, these are a really cool device. They're available from us at OEM Audio. We're at 18 Coleridge Street in Sydenham, where we've been for the last 12 years, or you can give us a call on 0508 636 283 or buy online at our web store oemaudio.co.nz. And if you want to say that Kyle's a great cameraman, he'd appreciate any feedback as well. Thank you.